Oh, sí.
You're going to New York, Radio City Music Hall. Oh, oh. You're two remarkable kids. I'm going to tell you, I can't believe I'm delivering this news. I'll be honest with you. We will not be taking you to New York.
You know that you're talented. You know that you're awesome, right? This is where it ends here. I'm sorry.
We have a lot of acrobatic acts, and sometimes you have to decide one over the other. But not in this case. Welcome to New York. Welcome to Radio City Music Hall.